Right, now we've learnt how to take off and ride a white wave straight into the beach. If you imagine this is the aerial view of a wave coming into the beach. Now that you've learned how to ride in a nice straight line, teaching us about footwork and making sure we're moving up and down the centre of the board.
The minute your board starts to stall, step forward. Starts to accelerate, step back.
Now we're going to want to learn how to turn a board. And to start with, we're going to learn how to turn our board 45 degrees this way. Once we can do that, we're going to see if we can take off and turn our board 45 degrees this way. What we call setting the rail of a board. Now, when we want to turn a board, a bigger board like this, again, for drills like this, make sure you're going out to a nice flat beach with a nice soft transition to it. You've got some nice gentle waves, even just in a bit of white water.
And you want to be just taking off on nice little bits of white water like this, in about waist depth water, on a nice flat beach.
But once you're up to your feet, you're going to want to set the rail. Now if I want to turn this board 45 degrees either way, the two things I'm going to do is I'm going to compress into my back foot, really bending the back knee in, and I'm going to compress into my back foot and my heels, or my back foot and my toes.
Back foot, heels, back foot, toes.
And this is where the upper body starts to become really important, because at the same time as compressing into the back foot, I'm going to rotate my upper body to where I want to go. And I'm going to compress and rotate.
Compress and rotate.
Same, if I want to go this way, I'm going to really compress into that back foot and rotate my upper body to where I want to go.
Compress and rotate.
This is where it's really important to have a nice arch in the back and try and keep the rest of the body nice and soft. So you nice and relaxed. Compress and rotate. Compress and rotate. But what do you think happens to the speed of the board when I start to compress and rotate through the tail of it? Faster or slower? It's slower. You start to apply the brake when we compress and rotate through the back foot like this. This is where that footwork comes in.
Back foot, heels. The back foot, toes. Step forward to accelerate.
If I want to go 45 degrees this way, I'll compress and rotate to where I want to go, and then take a little step forward to regain some acceleration. Same if I want to go this way, as I get to my feet, I'll compress and rotate and take a little step forward to regain acceleration.
Compress and rotate, step forward.
And I want to see if I can ride my wave all the way in this way, and once I can do that, I'm going to see if I can take off and ride my wave all the way in this way.
Paddling, keep your head up. That's it. Now turn. Little step forward. Nice.
Like I say, these are your basic 45 degree turns. Two key points is, remember, really compress into the back foot and the heels, or the back foot and the toes. The back foot's driving the turn and the front foot's steering it. And it's compression and rotation. Compression and rotation. And then that little step forward. Ooh, styling. Next, advanced turns. Raise the bar.